Hi, my name is Sobik Pal. I am working in form fill-up process in RKTM and IPSI Private Limited. Now I will show you how to log in ID in form fill-up process. At first, we enter our username and password, then click on Login ID. When we are login, the interface shows us three various options. First one, data entry, then edit profile, then changing password. We just ignore the edit profile and changing password, just to focus on the data entry. Then we have to go to data entry. Then you all can see here that title, category, description, walk in, yes or no, company name, contact person, designation, address, state, city, jeep, phone, mobile number, email, website, multiple record, last date of application, and then we start with title. Title will be wanted diagnostic, and also title will be always in capital letter. Then in the category we have to choose the diagnostic. Then moving to the next one, description will be wanted diagnostic. Looking for a qualification, MR diagnostic, which qualified degree will be BSc, DMLT, MLT. Walk-in will be no. Company name will be nil. Contact person also nil. Designation is nil. Address nil. Address, this will be mentioned in the article. State will be Telangana, city will be Hyderabad, zip is 32. If there is no zip number, then you have to do it nil. Phone number is also written in the article, mobile number is also written on the article, email is also written in the article, and website will be nil. Multiple records will be yes. Last date of applying is no. Then click on submit. After submitting, the second interface shows us title, category, description, multiple record, last date for applying. In title, we have to write wanted front office executive. Then in category, we have to select front office executive. In description, we have to write about the front office executive and the requirement for the front office executive. Multiple records will be yes. Last date for applying will be no. Then click on submit. Then the interface shows us the same. So in the title we have to write about receptionist, category will be receptionist, description will be about the receptionist, multiple record will be yes, last date of applying will be no. Then click on submit. Then the same interface is in front of us. In title we have to write about the dispatch help desk, category will be dispatch help desk, description will be on dispatch help desk, and multiple record will be yes, last date of applying will be no. Then click on submit.